welcome back, captors. So this is the part 3 of the Trooper model unboxing. So in part 2 we unboxed this model, great detail Phoenix, and once again this is a Phoenix model. This is the Sichuan Airlines. I hope I pronounced that right. A350 in the special Panda livery. Registration what's B for? Bravo dash 306 November on 400 scale. Phoenix logo there. Little Panda, look at that. How nice is that? Oh, that's good. What a box. It's design Phoenix. Look at that Panda root. Very good. I did want this model for a long time as well. There we go. Take that away. Carefully, it is a bit heavy. Okay, seems fine. Seems fine as well, no damage. Oh. Yes. I wonder, do the engines spin? A350. I needed an A350 in my collection. Wow. Okay, this will be fun. What a model. So I don't know why they made this livery, for what purpose, but here we go, starting at the front. At the front, we have the black mask on the cockpit. We have the nose, all the detail, the boarding door, the front landing gear, the big Panda, and the baby Panda above the door. How cool is that? Sichuan in Chinese, and the titles, a logo there on the far winglet. Another Panda here. The logo on this winglet, the main landing gear, the engine, Panda route titles, Wi-Fi hub, registration once again Bravo dash 306 November. Look at that Panda playing some music. Interesting. Sichuan logo on the tail. This will be great for Ralph doing. Here we have the cargo door on the Panda, and the Panda flying. Look at that, that's like a flying Panda. Here there's 3 pandas with the mover. Look at that. This is like a fun plane. Very cool. Very cool Phoenix. At the bottom, look at all this detail. APU there, all the antennas, the different detail, main landing gear. The wheels roll on all the models, so look at that. I just want to check now, do the engines spin, because if you look, the engines are quite nice. See-through. This is the A350-900. I didn't mention it. The nose is amazing. How can I spin on the engine? There we go. Let's see carefully. I'm gonna try to spin it. Oh, it spins. Look at that. It spins. So this model, I was debating whether to buy it or not, but it was a good buy. There we go. So engines do spin. You just have to use a pen or something to spin it. So, well, one more thing, this Sichuan, it's a Chinese airline based, I think, at Shanghai airport. They operate destinations to all over the world. And I am so happy to have this model. Look at that. Amazing detail, one of the top models. The nose, oof. Very, very well done, Phoenix. So thank you for watching this, and this is the triple unboxing. This is part 3. Thank you, and I see you in the next video. Goodbye.